Silver traded bullish for the day. We have seen gold recovering towards 27.45-46 zone, the greater resistance zone, hitting the lows earlier in the day towards 27.25. Yes, this was a good support, and from the support levels we have seen it recovering. Likewise with silver, we have seen it recovering from yesterday's lows at 32.25, and it is now almost seen 32.70 levels and trading in this critical resistance zone between 32.60 and 80. What to expect now from gold and silver? Big day, the elections day. Definitely it will bring volatility, which direction it should go, whether to buy, whether to sell, and at what levels, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. The subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade safely and trade with confidence and trade with logic. Let's start first to look into gold. And on the gold, on the hourly charts, if you look at the formation here, see, after the drop it is still trading in this bearish channel, delivering lower highs and lower lows. And if you look at today, it has breached the support zone at 27.30-32 for once. It has moved towards double bottom from the last week towards 27.24, but failing to break beyond. We have seen it recovering. Now see what has happened. If you look at the formation right now, I can see it getting support somewhere here at around 27.36, 27.30-32. These two levels yesterday also have given it a very good support, and today again these are providing it a good support. Any drop today below 27.30-32 should lead to slight bearishness, and if it stays below 27.24 and 27.20 levels, you can look forward to a greater correction. Same levels what we had discussed earlier in the day. Also look at the hourly charts. What is happening here? See, rise, retracement, and again a rise. Now this is the second bullish candle in making. I will wait for which direction the current candle takes. Also notice what has happened. Yesterday we have seen the highs here at around 27.48. Today it has formed a highs at around 27.45-46, making it and definitely 27.45-46 is also a greater resistance here for gold on the upside. Stochastic, if you, it has cooled down a bit from the overbought zone, while the MACD is still rising. It is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards, suggesting slight bullishness here. RSI is also rising. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you see the on the 2-hour charts, another point to note here is 3 bullish candles are seen, and if you look at the formation here, the bullishness has definitely got diminished, and also we are observing lower highs. Now also notice the support levels here at 27.30-32. Very important for gold to break below these levels in order to trade bearish today. As long as it respects 27.30-32, we have to be careful with the sells, and in fact as long as now 27.24-25 levels are not taken, we have to be careful here. Now see what is happening here. If you look at swings are seen, and the preceding candle has seen a rise from the lows and hit the highs, but at the same time I can see lower highs and a current candle also shying away from breaking past the highs. So once it stays beyond 27.46, that is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy gold today. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is also rising. Good sign, supportive of bulls here. On the 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts, preceding candle indeed is a swing candle. It does not indicate that the current candle cannot hit the highs here, but this also suggests that I can see that there is a lot much of a struggle by gold on the upside. Now also on the downside, the support levels are intact. As long as now 27.36 levels are not taken and 27.30-32 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish here. What is happening? A swing candle and the current candle can lead to higher highs, and once it breaks beyond 27.46-48, we can confirm further bullishness here for gold today. Stochastic is rising. It is back to overbought zone. MACD has crossed over on the 3-hour charts. It is trading with slight divergence, slight bullishness looking upwards. RSI flat here. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, important to note here is the support it has created. Look at this. This has become a reversal sign. It has formed a support at 27.32, which it is not willing to break, and that is where we have seen it rising. But interestingly, the resistance it is getting from the 20-50 period moving average is very strong. Thus it is very important for gold to trade beyond 27.46-48 zone, which will confirm its move towards 50-52, 56 and 60. Only bullishness in gold if it trades about 27.60. You can say now the bulls are back in action and we can look forward to a greater rise. till 2760 we have to trade with caution on the upside as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover and this is a bullish cross, it can lead to rise. RSI rising. Coming to daily charts, now see on the daily charts what has happened. If you connect it here, you will find lower highs are done, second thing lower lows, so it is still trading in this bearish channel, and as long as it respects this channel I will not treat this as bullish. So it is very important for gold to break beyond 2750-52 for once, and once it stays above 2750-52 you can say that it is turning bullish. Also notice, look at this point, and this zone is important. It has to trade today below 2736, then it has to break below 2730-32, the stronger support, and then the support levels from 2724. If these three levels are taken we can say that the bears are back in action, else right now it is not suggestive of bearishness. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD, this is interesting, the MACD has crossed over here, and post crossover it is trading with divergence, it is trading bearish. It suggests that the candle has to be red, but right now I can see that it is not suggestive of, so possibly a bullish candle today or a swing candle today may start converging and then it gives a breakout on the upside, or in fact a little convergence and then a drop here by tomorrow or day after tomorrow with Fed. So this is something which you should keep a note of. It is still trading in the sell side, it is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Looking at this, one thing is very clear, that gold has got resistance and supports playing out very well. On the upside, buying entry now at 2746, at which you can expect 27 see 2746-48 itself, this is a greater resistance zone. Beyond this we can expect 2750-52, first resistance zone very nearby, cannot avoid it, then 2755-56, and then 2760-62. If these three levels are taken in succession you can just stay bullish. Beyond 2760 you are looking forward to a greater rise, where in fact we can expect it to move towards 2770 levels as well, and in fact 2780 cannot be denied. But I'll say you have to be alert on the upside specifically. On the downside I will recommend a sell here at 2735-36, but then we have to wait for it to break first below 2730-32 and next below 2724. And if it breaks below 2724-25 we can say that now the bears are back in action. We can look forward to a greater correction, 2718, 2712, and in fact lower levels. How low? Beyond 2712.10 we will look forward to 270205, and then 2680 levels should be there very soon, if not today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Before we move to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, first of all, silver on the hourly charts, look at the moves are very diminished here, and I can say the downside, it is right now it is very much restrictive here. So yes, it has to now trade below 3240, 3220 zone. That is the only level below which it will turn bearish. What is happening? But if you notice what is happening, drop retracement, drop retracement, it is delivering lower highs, it is delivering lower lows, and this is trading in this bearish channel. Very important for silver to trade beyond 3280-85 zone and then 33 levels. If these two levels are taken, then 3320-25 will come into picture, and only bullishness in silver is if it trades above 3320-25 zone. Very clear. Beyond this we can expect 3350-60 and in fact $34 levels very soon. But right now I can say that bulls are not very much interested here on the upside, it appears so. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. On the 2-hour charts, and likewise on the 2-hour charts, see consolidation going on here. Lower highs are seen, trying to reverse, and if it trades below 3240 you can take a selling entry. Below 3240 is where the bears are waiting. As long as it stays above 3240 there is no bearishness. But remember what has happened so far, you should keep a note of this. This is what I'm talking about: lower highs, lower lows, possibility of a drop exists. However, the point to note here is the support it is getting here on the downside from 3220, 3240 zone, which is indeed a very good support here. Thus till 3220 do not treat silver as bearish today. That is very clear. Stochastic back to overbought zone, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, The observation on the 3-hour charts is more or less same what we had seen on the 2-hour charts. The lower highs are there. We have to wait for it to break below 3240, 3220 zone. As long as it respects 3240, 3220, we should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, hitting the lows, it can bounce back, forming a double bottom, it can bounce back and rise strongly. That one possibility is always there. As right now, if you look at the preceding two candles, a strongly bullish one swing candle, though it is trying to retrace, but I will not consider this as bearish as long as 3240, 3220 zone is not taken today. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD retracing, rising, divergent and bullish. RSI flat here. On the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. See one bullish candle, one swing, another bullish candle with flat top, and it is trading with slight divergence from 20 period. It can strike 20 period and reverse. This one possibility we cannot ignore. And see, now it is trading above the median of the Bollinger Bands, which is a slight bullish sign. Also look at the support it is created at 3240. Thus 3240 is the only level below which you can trade bearish. And on the upside, 3280, 85 definitely a greater resistance than 3305, and then 3320, 25 will appear. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate divergence, trading with moderate bullishness as of now. RSI flat here. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts what is happening. Lower lows are done, trying to move towards lower highs. There is a possibility of 3280, 85, but yes, these are going to remain greater resistances. And beyond this, this will become the first reversal candle. If it breaks beyond 33, 3320, this will become the first bullish candle, and tomorrow we can see another bullish candle which can take the silver prices towards 34. This is the point you should keep a note of. At the same time, any closer below 3240 and 3220, closing of the day below 3240, 3220 is a bearish sign, and then we can look forward to a greater correction from here. Stochastic oversold, which suggests that there can be a little recovery, while the MACD, if you notice, the MACD is still trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. This is a bearish sign. RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy if you see it now. Silver is staying above 3280, 85, which is going to remain the next resistance, as it has already breached the first one at 3260, but it is struggling to move towards 3280, 85. So once it breaks 3280, 85, initiate a buying entry, expect 3305, 3320, 25, and if it breaks these two, we can expect 3350, 3360 levels as the next target. While on the downside, below 3240, you can initiate a selling entry. If you see silver trading below 3240, take a sell, expect 3225, 20 as the first target. And when you see silver trading below 3220, stay short. Stay short. We are looking forward to 32, 3175 and 3150 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. See you tomorrow. And this is an election day. Volatility should be high today, tomorrow with the results, and day after tomorrow with the Fed. So this entire week the volatility is going to be high. You need to be trading with caution and trading with a trailing stop loss. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.